Hey y'all, it's T back with another video. I know I look crazy. First of all, I'm still sleepy. I just woke up, brushed my teeth, and turned this camera on. My hair look crazy. I'm not about to do it because I'm about to redo it. So in the next video that y'all will see tomorrow, I will have a whole nother hairstyle, okay? And I'm telling y'all that y'all will see another video tomorrow because I'm trying to hold myself accountable, okay? So stay tuned for the video tomorrow too as well. Anyways, I know you read that title. I'm about to show you real quick how to turn an oversized t-shirt into a cute little jumpsuit number or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So just pay attention. I'm gonna try to explain as much as I can. This ain't no sewing class though. I'm just showing y'all how I do what I do when I do it, okay? So yeah, also I had like a couple DMs about the lash giveaway from my video before last, and I don't know if you missed it, but I announced it on my story, and I also already contacted the winner. Her name is Bree. So yeah, that giveaway is closed. I put it on my post though that it is closed. I did announce the winner. I did contact the winner. I'm trying to think of what I want to do next, what type of giveaway I want to do next. But I need it to be a little more interactive. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Let's get right into the video. Don't judge how I look, okay? Oh, okay. So this is my little paisley print shirt that I'm going to turn into a jumpsuit. I wanted red, but this is what Walmart had. As you can see, no boundaries. It was only $8.44. So yeah, let me show y'all. It come like right there. You know, cute little short little summer number. Okay, so that's what we finna do. All right, let's get into it. Now, really, you want some water? Okay. Mom duties. But anyways, I'm about to show y'all how I use this to make my cutouts, and then we're gonna start sewing. Okay, make sure your shirt is flipped inside out, and then you want to cut about an inch away from the jumpsuit. You don't want to cut directly next to it because you need room to have like your hem. So then I'm going to move the jumpsuit and just cut straight across, and then fold it over so that both of my sides of my romper can be the exact same, basically. So put this piece to the side because you're going to use that later. Make sure you cut out the coochie part because I almost forgot. And play some music. Okay, so now we're just going to sew. Sew all the way down, honey. Make sure that you are using a stretch stitch because you want your romper to have that stretch. Also, when you get to the ends, make sure that you use a back stitch as you'll see me do. Okay, so boom, I'm just doing the other side, and I like to feed it through so that I can make sure that my stitching stays straight and I'm not going crooked or anything. That's just what I like to do. Do what you do. I'm gonna do what I do. Okay. So now I'm doing the part that goes between my legs, which is why you kind of see me going around. So that's what we are doing there. And now we got that part out of the way. I cut the top part of the collar off, as you can see. Save that for later for your straps. Now you're going to cut the sleeves off of both sides of the shirt. I'm only going to show you one side because that's self-explanatory. Do both sleeves. Boom. So now there's going to be a hole from where you cut off the sleeve. So now you need to cut off the part that would sit on top of your shoulder. When you're looking at the shirt, it'll make more sense. And you want to leave the part that sits under your arm. So that is what I'm doing here. And then next, there's going to be some excess fabrics, as you can see,
from the sides of the shirt if you were wearing it. So you want to cut off the piece that's hanging, that's not attached to that part that we're going to keep. So basically the other side of the hem from the side of the shirt. Like I said, it'll make more sense if you're actually doing it. So that's what we have here, and this is what it's going to look like, and these pieces are what is going to be tied behind my back. So now I'm going to hem the bottom of that was in the middle between those straps. And somewhere, I don't know if my camera died or what, but I do not have the footage of me connecting this part to the rest of the romper, which I will show you later. So now I'm just attaching the straps, as you can see. I already did one. I'm just showing you the other side. I guess my camera is turned off and I didn't notice.
So she turned out.
So right here is where I was talking about. I attached it to the rest of the romper. So you just do a quick little 1-2 stitch back stitch, and there you have it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.